Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cast how to add friends. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Solitaire cast app, and then once you're there, navigate the social feature or simply tap on the clubs option. Now once you're here, there should be an option to add friends. This might be a button labeled add friend, invite friends or search for friends, and then next is to add friends via Facebook or other platforms. Link your Facebook account. If our app supports linking with Facebook, you can connect your Facebook account to Solitaire Cast, and some versions of Solitaire Cast may allow connections through other platforms like Google Pay, Apple Games Center or email. Then search for friends. If you know the username of the someone you want to add, you can search for them directly. Use the search bar of friend's name and then tap on add friend or send request button on their profile. You may need to wait for them to accept your request. Number 5 is to invite friends from referral option. If you don't see a direct search option, look for an option to invite friends to play Solitaire Cast. Some app offers or bonus points for inviting friends. Once your friends joins and start playing, you may receive additional benefits. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.